Welcome back to my channel, guys. In this video, we want to factorize x raised to power 4 minus 81 completely. Right, solution. X raised to power 4 minus 81 can also be written as x raised to power 2, then raised to power 2 minus 9 raised to power 2. Okay, because 2 times 2 will give us 4, and you know that 9 raised to power 2 same thing as 81. Then what can we do here? We do difference of squares. Okay, difference of squares. It means in difference of squares, when we have a raised to power 2 minus b raised to power 2, it gives us a minus b, then a plus b. That's difference of squares, and that's what we are doing here. So here we have x raised to power 2 minus 9, and then we have x raised to power 2 plus 9. Okay, from there, we can also do difference of squares for x raised to power 2 minus 9. And then you have to write it as x raised to power 2 minus, that 9 is 3 raised to power 2. And then we write x raised to power 2 plus 9. So here we are also doing difference of squares. All right, so it means this can be written as x minus 3 and x plus 3. All right, and then we have x raised to power 2 plus 9. Now, we have to leave x raised to power 2 plus 9 because this is sum of squares, and sum of squares does not factor over real numbers. You understand? So for real numbers, sum of squares does not factor. So that makes our final answer. It means our final answer is x minus 3, x plus 3, and s squared plus 9. Now, it has been factorized completely. Now, let's try this. Let's try this. Let's factorize completely. Factorize completely x raised to power 6 minus 64. All right, so let's factorize completely x raised to power 6 minus 64 and write our answers in the comment section. All right, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, also like and share this video. Thank you.